You understand what you're charged with is burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Welcome to Elite Justice Network.
Calling 2022 CR 10587, State of Texas versus Guillermo Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Eric Hernandez for the defendant, Guillermo Rodriguez, Jr.
Are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes,
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right. Did you understand what you're charged with is burglary of a habitation force? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court doesn't have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call them the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would have granted your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court would find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe so, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review it with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 10587. And there's restitution to Dioncio, Dioncio Hernandez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
None.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that the deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a cop evaluation, 100 hours community service, restitution, and no contact with Dioncio Hernandez. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objections by the
All right,
defense, Your Honor.
state, you may be excused.
Judge, here's a dismissal.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney, counsel? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand again that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call them the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Mr. Rodriguez will be living with his father upon his release and will be seeking to find employment with Taco Cabana where he was working before he was arrested on this charge. He believed he would be productive and comply with the rules and regulations of probation and would ask the court to honor the bargaining agreement. Thank you. There's no minors at the home. Is it possible? No. There's no minors in that home. Your Honor.
Okay, just a moment. No, I'm sorry, Caroline. I don't have the file for 2022 CR 10588. It's this case. Guillermo Rodriguez. I have the 057. I have that. All right, anything you wish to say?
No.
All right, why are you breaking into someone's house? I guess that's your occupation?
No.
Well, I mean, it was your occupation on that day. So why are you breaking into someone's home?
I was in a bad spot in my life.
A lot of people are in bad spots in their life. They don't break into somebody's home. And it was mighty bold of you to come out of the house actually wearing the person's clothes.
Is that what the police report says?
So how do you not know what
I
it
mean,
says? I mean, you were there.
I really went in there to take a shower and eat. I was homeless at the time.
So
I'll be
you
honest
think that
with you.
gives you a right to
No,
break
it
into
doesn't. It
somebody?
doesn't. No, ma'am.
So why are you doing it?
I was hungry and then I was tired. I wasn't thinking right. It was hot. It was in the summer.
It's always hot in the summertime in San Antonio, but I don't see other people breaking into people's homes.
I know. I understand.
All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, this is what I'm sorry, can I have a stand? Okay, thanks. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That will be probated. Taking consideration 2022 CR 10587, restitution and no contact with Dionisio Hernandez. Six years deferred adjudication, 100 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular UAs. Regular reporting. Where are you going to be living?
And my father,
Right. What's your father's name?
Guillermo Rodriguez Sr.
All right, he's to reside with Guillermo Rodriguez Sr. And if you just want to move from that residence, you have to get permission. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month until further notice. The MRT and 60 days in the Bexar County Jail as condition. Probation, is there anything else he needs? No, Your Honor. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
Your Honor, for clarification, will he get credit for time served for those 6
No.
days? And Your Honor, for clarification, if he does get his employment back at Taco Cabana, if they employ minors, is that considered working with minors?
No.
Approval.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Court is calling 2020 CR 7006, State of Texas versus Brandon De Hoyos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Debbie Cruz, looking for the state.
defense?
Kathy Compton for Mr. De Hoyos.
And are you Mr. De Hoyos?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Brandon De Hoyos who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 7006 for the offense of,
This is a Mandel.
yeah, it's supposed to be possession with intent to deliver
Correct.
a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on November 20th, 2020 for a period of 5 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
State of legislature to the defendant on or about the first day of June 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Brandon De Hoyos did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely cocaine, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
Your Honor, we will also waive all the rest of the allegations alleged in the motion to indicate.
All right, any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. At this time, the state's asking that the board to deny the motion to revoke and alter and amend the deferred adjudication to include status.
All right, is that the agreement?
Status relapse, yes. With
Are
my
you-
understanding, that was the recommendation from probation.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement? All right, you're whispering.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so here's the issue that the court is having. I sent you to felony drug court. You accepted in felony drug court. What happened? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Brandon
A homeless man accused of breaking into someone's home. A courtroom filled with tension, and Judge Stephanie Boyd is about to hear an explanation that instantly changes the mood in the room. Today's case starts with a serious burglary charge carrying years in prison, but what unfolds becomes much deeper than legal procedure. The defendant claims he was desperate, hungry, and living through one of the lowest moments of his life. But desperation and legality are not always the same thing. Stay until the end, because Judge Boyd's response delivers a reality check that hits harder than the sentence itself. This is the exact moment where the courtroom shifts from facts to accountability. Listen carefully, because Judge Boyd isn't challenging whether the defendant struggled. She's challenging the decision that came from that struggle. A lot of people face hardship, homelessness, financial pressure, and painful circumstances. But the court now has to weigh a difficult question. When does survival stop being an explanation and start becoming a criminal act? This becomes emotionally complicated because viewers may sympathize with the situation while also understanding the victim's perspective. Let us know in the comments. Should extreme hardship reduce punishment, or should entering someone's home always carry severe consequences regardless of circumstances? Many viewers may hear the phrase deferred adjudication and immediately think someone avoided prison. Not exactly. What Judge Boyd is building here is a highly structured second chance loaded with restrictions and consequences. Community service, restitution, mandatory reporting, employment requirements, field visits, treatment programs, living restrictions, and even additional jail time as a condition of probation. That's a critical distinction because this isn't simply forgiveness. The court is creating a system designed to test whether the defendant can rebuild his life while proving accountability. One wrong step and this second chance could disappear very quickly.